Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. I'm so happy that you came here. In today's video, we're doing a full review of Current. Current is a new bank that I started using, and I'm gonna start using them probably exclusively. I've been using them for about a month now, and I have a link below if you do wanna sign up. We have a unique link, and you can, with my link, start earning 4% APY. But besides that, I actually do really like the app, and I have discovered a lot of perks and benefits just from using it for about a month now. And so I want to make this honest review, and I'm gonna talk about the good things about it, its upsides, and I'm also gonna talk about its downsides as well. So please thumbs up the video; it does help out tremendously. Subscribe if you do enjoy these types of videos. And make sure if you do sign up, use my link below because you could get a special offer with that link. And without further ado, let's get started, okay? Okay, so firstly, I just wanted to go over the website with you guys and kind of explain to you a little bit about Current, and then I'm gonna go into my actual app on my phone and just show you guys like my app. So if you want to just skip to that part, you can, but this is going to kind of give us a better overview of what it is because they lay it all out. And then I can show you all the features of my app inside. I can show you how much money I'm earning through their 4% APY. But the main thing about Current, I guess it's probably its biggest like draw point, is that number one, it pays you 4% interest APY, 4% APY. Now, one of the cons, I mean, that's really, really good because the national average is 0.07%. So, like, for instance, I have Bank of America, they pay me 0.04%, which is basically nothing. So it's like, I have no interest, literally, no pun intended, in keeping my money in Bank of America. So when I saw 4%, I was like, well, it's a much better place to put it. Now, they do have limits of how much money you can put into it. You can even see right here, it says earn interest on up to 2,000 bucks. So you can't put in like $100,000 to according to what my experience. You can't just put in like $1 million and start earning like 40 grand a year. It's like they have limits on these things. But still, again, 4% APY. Maybe they do show the details with the limits here. I just clicked on learn more. Money you could earn on $6,000. Yeah, so it's up to 6,000 is the max, which I was a little disappointed when I saw that because I did think it was slightly misleading. You know, it just says earn 4%, and I'm like, thinking that you could put in a bunch of money, and the limit is 6,000. So, whatever. I understand they probably, they can't afford to. I guess that's probably the way they can't cover it, is because, they're not paying out tons of money per person. It's just like on average. So, and then another big benefit they have is overdraft. So they have no fees on overdraft. If you go negative 200 bucks, you won't get charged any overdraft fees. Now, another catch is you have to be signed up in their direct deposit program. So you have to be on overdrive, and the way you qualify for overdrive is you have to do a certain amount of what's it called? You have to do a certain amount of deposits. I think it's like 500 bucks a month. Just set up the direct deposit, receive a qualifying deposit, and enable overdrive on your account. I'll go into my app and show you guys, but there are limitations to these things. So it sounds really amazing, and it is, but it's like you need to look at the details. Again, faster paydays because you earned it. They're gonna pay you up to 2 days faster with direct deposit. Now, obviously, you need to be signed up for direct deposit in order to get that, which is pretty good. I mean, you can get your money faster, and then it's like a kind of like a payday loan alternative. Get your money faster, and then once your money goes into your account, it just balances out. Their point system is really good. One of the reasons I really like it is because they do work with gas stations, and gas is crazy expensive right now. So when you go fill up at gas stations, you'll get points back, and then you can cash in on those purchases. So let's learn more here. Yeah, they have gas stations, groceries, these things. I don't really mind or care for the restaurant cashback. I mostly care about the gas ones, but it says you can earn up to 15 times points every time you swipe your card at 14,000 participating merchants nationwide, which are then redeemable for cash in your current account. You can find all offers near you on the map directly in the Current app. Current is a financial technology company, not a bank. Banking services provided by Choice Financial Group, member FDIC. So your money is FDIC insured. I did look into that. That's why I kind of wanted to pull up the website, because you know, you're going to be able to find this information a lot easier. Are my funds FDIC insured? Yes, your funds are entitled up to $250,000 of pass-through deposit insurance coverage from the FDIC through our issuing bank, Choice Financial Group, member FDIC. Which being said, Current is not a bank. They are a technology platform that utilizes Choice Financial Bank, if that makes sense. That's just how they, I guess, for liability reasons. Now the other, let's see, the other perks of Current, yeah, the 4% APY, the 2 days faster, etc. So, and then you can redeem points in the Current shop for cash or other items. Now we're gonna go in there and see what you can actually buy. Oh, and they do have teen banking, which is cool. You can get set up with a bank if you're a teenager, which is nice. I mean, it's a debit card, so I don't know if it really counts towards your credit score, but I mean, it's a good option for teenagers who, you know, like obviously don't want to carry cash, because cash. Oh yeah, and they have fee-free ATMs too. Current member, you can withdraw your money without any fees from over 40,000 networks. I actually have through my Bank of America, I'm in their like preferred rewards member, so I don't pay fees at ATMs. But I know before it was like I would hate using ATMs, and I would always have to like try to go to a specific ATM so I didn't have to pay that fee. I'm gonna hop into my app right now so we can just see what my app looks like. Okay, so I have Current right here on my homepage. Just want to show you guys full overview. This is what the Current app looks like. It's a little squiggly line, blah blah blah. They got basically the same colors as Instagram and Twitter combined. Literally, it looks like it flows. It actually blends in with those apps, coincidentally. But here we have Current right here. Now, I'm still waiting for my debit card. It is still coming in the mail. So I don't have that yet, but I will do an unboxing video once I get the Current debit card, sorry. So I will need to activate it. So I can't actually get the points yet because I don't have my card to make the purchases. But once I do, I'll be able to make a much more thorough video about this. Another thing too, you guys can utilize this invite code thing. You will get 50 bucks when you refer a friend, and they need to make a deposit of 200 bucks, direct deposit. Anyways, so this is the savings pods, which I was talking about, the 4% APY. So I went ahead and put in $100 in, let's see if I can, transaction history. Yeah, I put in 100 bucks. I've been getting 1 cent basically every single day. But I put in 100 bucks on May 17th. So that was a little over a month ago, because right now it is June 22nd. So basically every single day since then, they've been paying me 1 cent. I think it took 2 days to get there. So I got 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent. Yeah, every single day, even on the weekends, they pay out interest, which is cool. I mean, I just wanted to test it out and make sure it worked. And so 2 days ago, I deposited 900 bucks. Ooh, and now you can see my interest is going to 2 cents a day now, it looks like. It should be going up more, but oh, they have roundup purchases too. So I guess when they'll like deposit the difference into your account, I guess. What is that? What are roundup purchases? I don't know, it didn't say. But yeah, I'm trying to just grow this. I mean, it only goes up to 6,000, but like, I mean, that's better than nothing. This month's overview, 24 cents. Yeah, it's basically making a cent a day with 100 bucks. Honestly, not bad. If with 1,000 bucks, I guess I'll be making like 10 cents a day. That's honestly not horrible. Again, I wish I could put in like 10 grand, maybe even 20 grand just to like start getting more and more money. But so yeah, here's how it works. You can set up direct deposit. And the reason I like this feature is because you can actually type in your employer here and log in. Like, let's say you're a Lyft driver You can just click there, and you're gonna be able to actually log in through your account. Anyways, my friends, sign up using my link down below to sign up for Current. Otherwise, thanks for watching. You guys are great, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.